Hi, this is Esther from Cemantica. I'd like to show you today how you can be more efficient in your mapping exercise with Alex AI by pushing document or information or market analysis inside the Cemantica platform. Let's go and see. So here we are on the Cemantica customer journey. I have all my stages that I created. I have my stage description that I've done that was for a workshop actually. All my interaction are listed. You can see here I have two personas. So I'm mapping this journey for two different personas. And then here I have all the pain points, the gains, the finding, and the insights. So I would like to list all the pain points, but I've done this exercise or I've gathered some information on market analysis about my customer in different documents. So I would like to push this document inside Cemantica. The way I do it is like I will upload the document. So I can upload a PDF, an Excel, a PowerPoint, a JPEG, PNG, a doc, or a CSV. And then what Alex will do, he will extract, all the different pain points that he is identifying in your document and push it into the lanes. So then you hit import and this is what you will get, right? So if I open, I will get this with all the information and the pain point that Alex has identified in your document classified by stage of the journey. So you can do it with the pains. You can also identify the gains. So same operation here, you upload the document and it will identify all the different gain points in the document and push it, to the swim lane. Same for findings or all type of insights. What's nice also, you can do the same operation on opportunity, solution, and action. So if you have this document with a lot of information, Alex can understand your document and then identify some opportunities and same operation. So then you import the file and then it will list all the opportunities that he sees in your document and classify them. Same thing again for solution and then all the action that you should conduct. All right, so you see, pretty straightforward, pretty easy. It takes a couple of seconds or minutes, depending on the complexity of the document to Alex, to visualize, understand your document, and then classify the information at the right place. If you want to have more information about Alex AI and the Cemantica platform or try it, you can go on our website, www.cemantica.com, or contact us at info@cemantica.com. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye bye.